In a world filled with constant noise, distractions, and pressure, finding peace within ourselves can often seem like an impossible task. But what if I told you that the key to inner calm, clarity, and well-being is already within your reach? Meditation, a practice as old as time itself, and yet more relevant today than ever before. It's not just about sitting in silence or escaping the world around you, it's about connecting with the stillness inside. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years, helping people cultivate mindfulness, reduce stress, and find clarity in their daily lives. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a powerful tool that can be customized to fit your personal needs. In a world where the mind races from task to task, meditation teaches us to slow down. By focusing on our breath, our thoughts, or a mantra, we create space for calm. This space allows us to observe our thoughts without judgment, reducing the impact of stress and anxiety on our bodies and minds. The benefits of meditation are profound. Studies have shown that regular practice can lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, improve focus, and even boost our immune systems. In fact, meditation has been linked to structural changes in the brain that improve emotional regulation and decision-making. Imagine being able to navigate life's challenges with a sense of inner peace, no matter the chaos around you. Meditation helps you build resilience, transforming stress into an opportunity for growth. Beyond the immediate benefits, meditation also fosters greater self-awareness. As you sit in stillness, you begin to notice patterns in your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This self-awareness empowers you to make conscious choices, create healthier habits, and cultivate a life aligned with your true values. In a world that never stops moving, meditation offers a refuge, a chance to reconnect with yourself, to listen, to breathe, and to simply be. It's not about escaping the world. It's about learning how to engage with it from a place of balance and peace. So, take a moment, breathe, and let meditation show you the power of peace within. Find your peace. Start your meditation practice today.